Good morning, adventure seekers. Oso Flaco. Beautiful day for a little hike. Looks like a little competition here. Most people I've ever seen here. We got the Lompoc school kids hanging out. So pretty packed today. Usually this place is pretty vacant. But it's a very scenic little walk to the beach. Over the walkway over the water. So let's check it out. Alright, first little section of the lake to the right over here. Looks like the ducks are loving it. They are out and about. Little section's full. Alright, let's continue over here. Little mountain lion alert. Walkway over the lake. Drop this camera into the water. Let's see what can be found. Do a little camera fishing. Alright, adventure seekers, we're almost to the beach. Nice little picnic area. Benches, restroom down there. And a little sign showing you might see an American kestrel, a bobcat, skunks, alligator lizards, Heeman's kangaroo rat, silvery legless lizard. Ooh, or maybe the western lizard. Okay, stay tuned. We'll be to the beach sooner than you think. Alright, adventure seekers, So Flaco Beach, November 14th. Might be able to see some dolphins, some brown pelicans, gray whales, humpback whales, sea otters, willets. You never know what you're going to find down here. So you got to be down here to find it. So get out and adventurize. Quite the view. Avila. Okay, north, you see Point Dachon, Diablo Canyon, Point San Luis, Port San Luis, Avila Beach. Okay, beach hoppers, Pismo clams, sea lions, sand dollars, moon jellies. Do not touch. They give you a little poison sting there sometimes. You don't want to mess with them. Okay, stay tuned, adventure seekers. See what kind of animals we can find down on the beach. Adventure seekers. Obviously been animals here, leaving marks all over the place. Worm looking things, small animal, paw prints, looks like lizard tracks. Animals have been out. Just gotta be patient, spot something. Stay tuned, head out to the beach, see what we can find. Adventure seekers. Down to the beach and see what's going on down here. What kind of view can we get? Serious vulture anyway. Alright, another vulture down there, chowing down on something. Hey, adventure seekers, venture to the beach at Oso Flaco. There's really not much to do except take a hike. Riverbed going in there, so you have to cross that to get very far. Fishermen down here at least. Other than that, not too many people adventurizing, but it's still very nice little river action. That last step may end up in the drink. Sand does not for much traction. Last few inches. Riverbed action. So Flaco. That's a little underwater.